the legal rights of HIV-positive individuals in the workplace. Picture this. Sarah, a 32-year-old marketing executive, sat nervously in her office chair, her heart pounding. She'd just received her HIV diagnosis 2 weeks ago, and now her boss was calling her in for a meeting. As she walked into the conference room, she couldn't shake the fear that her career was about to crumble. Sarah's story isn't unique. Every year, thousands of HIV-positive individuals face workplace discrimination, despite legal protections. In fact, a 2022 study published in the Journal of Occupational Health found that 37% of HIV-positive employees reported experiencing some form of discrimination at work. But here's the truth. HIV-positive individuals have robust legal rights in the workplace. The Americans with Disabilities Act, or ADA, classifies HIV as a disability, offering significant protections. Employers cannot fire, refuse to hire, or discriminate against someone based on their HIV status. Let's return to Sarah. As she sat across from her boss, she took a deep breath and disclosed her status. To her surprise, her boss responded with empathy and support. They discussed reasonable accommodations, such as flexible hours for medical appointments, without compromising her role or responsibilities. This scenario highlights a critical point. Open communication often leads to positive outcomes. However, it's essential to remember that disclosing one's HIV status is a personal choice. The law doesn't require employees to reveal this information unless they're requesting specific accommodations. Now, let's dive into some eye-opening statistics. A 2023 report by the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission revealed that HIV/AIDS-related workplace discrimination complaints have decreased by 23% over the past decade. This trend suggests growing awareness and acceptance, but challenges persist. One of the most significant legal protections for HIV-positive workers is confidentiality. Employers must keep any medical information, including HIV status, strictly confidential. Violation of this right can result in severe legal consequences. Imagine Sarah's colleague accidentally overhearing her conversation with the boss and spreading the news around the office. This breach of confidentiality could create a hostile work environment, potentially leading to a lawsuit against the company. But legal rights extend beyond privacy. HIV-positive individuals are entitled to reasonable accommodations that allow them to perform their job duties effectively. These might include modified work schedules, ergonomic equipment, or telecommuting options. A groundbreaking 2021 study in the American Journal of Public Health found that companies providing comprehensive support for HIV-positive employees saw a 28% increase in productivity and a 15% decrease in turnover rates. This data underscores the mutual benefits of inclusive workplace policies. It's crucial to note that legal protections for HIV-positive workers extend to health insurance as well. The Affordable Care Act prohibits insurers from denying coverage or charging higher premiums based on HIV status. As we conclude Sarah's story, imagine her 6 months later, thriving in her role, supported by her employer, and advocating for HIV awareness in the workplace. Her journey represents the positive outcomes possible when legal rights are upheld and stigma is challenged. Remember, knowledge is power. By understanding their legal rights, HIV-positive individuals can confidently navigate the workplace, focusing on their careers rather than their status. It's not just about laws, it's about creating a society where everyone can contribute their talents without fear or discrimination.